In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Docusign with Sharepoint. This process is essential for streamlining your document workflow and enhancing efficiency in your organization. So let's dive in and start integrating these powerful tools. The first step is to head over to the Docusign website, open your preferred browser and navigate to docusign.com. Docusign is the leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it indispensable for handling agreements securely and efficiently. Once you're on the home page, locate the login option. It's typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on login and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up first before proceeding further. After logging in, your next step is to go to the Docusign homepage. You can do this by simply clicking on the Docusign logo, which acts as a home button, taking you to your main dashboard. From here, you need to move to the admin section. Look for the admin tab on your screen and click on it. This is where you'll find crucial administrative tools that allow you to configure settings and manage integrations. Once you are in the admin dashboard, look for the Connect option. Click on Connect to open up connectivity features. This area is fundamental as it allows you to add new integrations to your Docusign account. After accessing Connect, you'll need to find the choice labeled Add Configuration and click on it. This is where the real integration begins. You'll now see a number of options, but for the purpose of integrating with SharePoint, you need to select OneDrive. Clicking on OneDrive is crucial as SharePoint's functionalities are part of Microsoft's ecosystem, closely tied with OneDrive. This setup is necessary for seamless document storage and management between Docusign and SharePoint. Finally, to complete the process, navigate to Go to Agreement Actions. Selecting this option will allow you to specify how you want Docusign to interact with SharePoint. You can set rules and actions for document handling and sharing, ensuring that your workflow is custom tailored to your needs. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Docusign with SharePoint, streamlining your document management workflows and enhancing your organization's productivity. Always remember, you can revisit these configurations anytime to adjust settings as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up your Docusign and SharePoint integration. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you maximize the potential of your digital tools.